going on, everybody?
OCUP 900 KTV but about to rotate, also avoiding it.
Shit market, I want short, but when you're in a hot market, do that freaking rudder.
Good morning.
Morning, player. What you doing, girl?
You the player, bro. Look at you.
Feeling happy today. Even though I didn't get sleep. Made up for yesterday's debacle.
Yeah.
Gotta get my head on straight, man. I'll look at the chart right. And even I went over that stupid ERE trade yesterday. And I don't know why I was short bias on that. I'm like looking at that chart, it was a fucking long. Why was I short it? One of those moments. You went to the moon, huh?
Yeah.
Jeez, what's the float on that? I don't know what the float is on that.
Million.
1 million?
5.
5 million. Jeez, that's a little floater. I think BT&R is worth keeping a watch today. Doing obviously. Maybe there's OCUP, man. I'm not 100% sold on that one, but.
Then I went by little float too.
Which one?
OCUP.
I thought that one was higher. I got higher than that, dude. I got 10 million. At 8.9 on Yahoo, but everything else says it's 10 to 15 million. Shorts on a lot of this stuff, so you win. Alright, I'll be back. I gotta go do just a little roll.
Yeah.
Is the chat working? I don't even see the bot never came in here. Let's see.
The warrant of Kuhn, Pepper cannot
Refresh.
correctly. The warrant of Kuhn.
There we go. I'm here for the blank wall.
So it's C.
It's not blank. There's a shelf here.
Pepper can't say it correctly. It's like,
President Biden wants EV tax credits in reconciliation. Biden climate advisor says tax credits for renewable energy needed in second infrastructure bill that could be 5
Thank you, Keelan, for making me money. What are you watching today, Snoop Jaggy Jag?
I don't know.
I got a Bittner, BTNR, beer, DRE. I was HCM up, you want to cut volume?
HCM?
Yeah.
I see it there. 82
It's
copy.
gapped. It's wrapped volume, but it is gapped over previous resistance, so I think it's worth a watch. Hewin.
Yeah.
And my last one I got up is BSQR, which I think I should just take that one off at this point. That's looking dead.
Good luck, everybody.
Yeah.
We got 2 minutes, man.
1 minute. He's a little early.
1 minute now. What's the Sophie doing? We don't have shorts on that, do we? SOFI? No. I'll just have to figure out something else once the bell rings. I want one more chart up, but I just have to look at. Not this one. Alright. Check the scanner real fast. Good luck, guys.
My little daily thing today says, when the student is ready, the teacher will appear.
Ooh.
I'm still looking for my teacher.
He's still looking.
He's like, I am ready. Well, wait, my teacher.
Been ready for 35 years.
BPNR is dropping. A lot.
Pull back.
I'm queuing.
Oh, we get a pullback. But I'm not sure the first minute.
A sear dropped 56 cents, 80 cents.
The acquisition of Polymune and SCCS.
Hookup dropped.
Come on, QM. This isn't what I want you to do.
Yeah, all three that I was watching a start did not do what I wanted it to do.
Sear is under 26.
Steve? Steve?
Here it is.
But I think he needs it to go like $3 or $4 under 26 to, yeah.
Get to make
Do
back.
we even know if he held?
No. I know he had half going into the close, but I don't know what he did with that push after hours, because that would have scared the crap out of me.
So we get
Watching LI.
LI?
Roger.
We don't have course.
I don't know.
Is LI a breakout? It is kind of a breakout though.
That should be
And Brian with the call on VTNR. That thing washed.
LI is a breakout on the daily, bro.
I wouldn't really call that a breakout. I'd say it's definitely in an uptrend, but I wouldn't really say it's a breakout.
Don't call it a breakout. I'm short it.
Schnikes.
You got probably room down to 34.47.
Say 37.50. Above that, I would say it's a breakout.
Then speak for yourself.
I just did.
I'm gonna hit you 'cause I can't do you today.
Not really sure what that was about, but okay.
BBBY on earnings. Verb and TV.
He's got his panties in a bunch the last couple days. Apparently, Bed Bath & Beyond is on earnings. BBBY. Yep, Verb is hard to borrow. Blend float rotation.
ASTS nigga.
Yeah, I was just pulling that up. What's it look like? Ooh, go through 14. You know, or not. Son of a bitch. That would have been real nice.
ASTS dollar on way.
That's like immediate satisfaction there.
Carrot tie.
I wonder if I would have took that trade if my charts didn't take forever to load. That would be an interesting one. Like, I wonder if I would have split my position there.
Did you get in Q, Devin?
He's got us muted. Apparently, because I told him that that wasn't a breakout on the daily. He's got his panties in a bunch.
I wonder what that was pertaining to.
LI would have been a dollar move. Did you get that, Thomas?
Average is 65.
Kept typing that wrong yesterday too. ASTS, you suck.
Went up and halted, huh?
Wow, ASTS is really pounding it in there.
Yikes.
Couldn't give us that 14 pop, eh?
ASTS Hell's Yak.
Somebody it.
Thomas, did you get in LI?
Yeah, he's in it. 60 something, 64 or 65.
A little on Q. I got out way too early and then it dropped, so I wasn't so sad because I would have been still holding.
Looks heavy.
I could have held it, but I thought that was going to happen, so I got out. And I missed out on a lot of money the other day.
Hey, before he comes back, if you guys get a chance, can you tell me if LI looks like a breakout on the daily? I just want to know if I'm seeing something wrong.
Okay. Yes, it is. You're not
Explain how. No, I'm saying it's not a breakout. He's the one saying it's a breakout.
January's highs were like
You know,
36.70.
that's not a crazy break. I mean, but it's been going up the whole time since May. Beginning of May, it's gone up.
Oh yeah, that's what I even said that. I said, yeah, it's in an uptrend, but I wouldn't define that as a breakout.
Yeah, well, yeah. Yes.
A breakout's when you have a clear resistance area and it breaks through it and breaks out.
Yeah, but that didn't happen.
No, it's just in like the middle of nowhere, but in an uptrend.
Yes.
That's all I was trying to say, and then you got all pissy.
You're just wrong, Tim.
Well, I wanted to make sure that I wasn't before he can't, because I will admit I'm wrong if I'm wrong, but I don't think I'm wrong in this case.
Do you guys have shorts on EJH? Not that it only has hardly any volume.
Yeah, we do. Half mil shares.
If it can get any volume, we keep going.
Yeah, it's got like no volume.
Somehow went to $1.20 on 100,000 shares.
IPW just halted on no volume.
Yeah, 332K.
We have a few shares on that one. 118,000. Really sad about ASTS. That would have been perfect through 14.
Hippo halt. Up. 118K shares TV. Way up. 2.20 PL.
I can't type today. Oh my.
GNLN basically NTV.
Do you have GNLN for any shares?
6K. Yeah, I was just looking at it. So basically no.
Yeah.
BTNR lock and trail.
That Bethlehem is breaking out a little bit. I don't trust it, but
Easy SHT today. Love it. Tall huge go.
Oh look, the first one we have shorts on. SNCR. Crap.
What's the imbalance, if you don't mind checking on IPW?
it is 905.
Okay, so it's not moving.
It should open in about 2.5 minutes.
Boom. Killing it.
I don't see nothing.
I'll post it now.
Are you still in it?
No, I got out of it. I was in Glen.
It just broke high today.
What, Qin or Blen?
Qin. Oh, Blinn I wasn't in.
I was in Blen. With some decent shares. And I made a little on BBBY, but that one didn't go like I wanted it to.
5 minutes.
That one.
Can't wait.
That thing's whippy, dude. That Qin.
Yeah.
I'm not sure I'm ballsy enough for that one, dude.
You gotta go.
I didn't like that initial whip up and whip that it did. I'm gonna take it off and I'll start pulling moving.
D.
What was the other one?
IPW in about 30 seconds.
Yeah, I'm
What is
watching it.
IPW, it'll open in 30 seconds.
Nope, no volume.
I took a small red on LI. I got distracted on the fob and just put a high day stop in.
Went back up.
Yeah, that was a grinder.
Yeah, it turned into a grind.
Backed up there.
HPOS, Associate Therapeutics.
PREs on SSR. More of that.
Series on SSR? Nice. That's good for Steve if he's selling it. That was not the open I was expecting. Oh, look at that spread.
IBWSS.
But I hate the way that's moving, dude. The whippiness of that is a little scary. I'm the constant and safer.
I can't wait to just be able to be like, I'm gonna throw a couple shares at this. Why not? I know we say it all the time, but it's so true.
I wasn't mad at you today, by the way. I just didn't want any distractions. And,
Well, I
when you guys
didn't.
fix the moves, it's not
Wasn't.
coming.
No, I'm really not. You are. I mean, I'm not mad or anything either. I was just telling you what I saw, and I was asking you to explain.
You're like, well, yeah. I mean, if it does it, I'm like, alright, I'm done. You gotta
Well,
fix
I was asking you to explain, and then you just left.
it. Was over previous highs, which is probably why it's still on it. Still hasn't come down.
Well, IPW.
Pull it up on the 60 and tell me what you see. Is it over everything else? Yep. Okay.
If you look left, no, I'm so confused. So
Way the hell over here after the drop.
it's the beginning of the year. I'm so confused what you're. Okay.
Let's just move on to the next ticket.
Yeah, for real.
Just forget it already.
Like, you're the one that goes back looking at 2008 all the time, and I'm looking less than a year, and you're like, oh no, there's nothing there. I'm like, what? Okay.
I'm just talking about the recent best on a 60-minute chart that is breaking out.
Okay, you win.
The last word.
No, you win, Nash.
Jesus.
Do your channel, you're the winner.
Whose vagina is louder?
I'm the wiener.
Boy, that's just clearly.
I'm the wiener.
Let's see what this thing's gonna do. Ah, BBY, man, I should have held on to that.
Really want WEI to just go.
Got so much resistance here, man. What's Saki looking at? W what?
Yeah,
Way
double the amount
WEI. It's probably not for you. It's $2. Still looking for some fast movement. Just keeps kind of inching its way up.
Starting to try to curl back up. Gwen. Look at that thing.
I'm not getting filled for some reason.
Order cancelled.
You gonna watch Snoopy?
Q.
Q.
Yeah, I'm with that. I mean, I'm looking all over the place because I don't like.
Dude, we have shares on WEI.
Order cancelled.
Oh wow, we're out of shares. Okay, never mind.
I hit the button at 20 and I'm like, what the shit?
I did too. We had shares earlier.
You win it, bro.
Q and scares me.
FFS.
For real,
Damn it.
dude. That thing
We
was
had like 200k shares on that, I think. And now they're gone.
Gwen. Yeah,
Yep.
Gwen pulled it again.
Of course, finally a trade I would have taken this morning, and no shares. Bullshit, man.
Oh, IPW went down and now it's spiked up.
Man, there's a lot of these little whippy efforts today.
Derp. Guess I should have held Neo.
Still going up.
It's at 52 almost.
So sad about ASTS.
Oh, what was your average on it though?
ASTS? Oh, Neo.
Yeah.
He was at like 13, weren't you?
Oh, dude.
1352.
You did well. You did well.
Took a year.
Yeah, it's a pretty good swing trade.
So you were in way the hell over here somewhere.
Yeah, July 9th or something.
Oh, can you see that far back now, Devin?
A series.
Oh, just fucking with you.
39.
I wish Steve would come back in here and let us know what's going
I'm
on.
just saying, if Steve's still in it to some degree, you get closer.
I looked over at the chart and I was like, this kind of looks like a short now, but I was like, freaking.
It's CCIV to rip. Not upset.
What's the big freaking volume push right now? What's someone going? Ewan? Yeah, Ewan's the one with the attention, but jeez.
Well, XDLA has 146 million volume.
Was it really?
including VID,
Why is that showing on
IPW
the
90
Yeah, it's not
KTB,
loading for me.
super
Oh, there it is.
sketch, prob will run out of Oros there, small slash tiny if anything now.
Yeah, but it don't look pretty.
It
No,
wasn't really what we were looking for, but
it's not that big a range
I
either.
thought about it
really,
just
when you think about it,
because
considering the volume.
This IPW looks like she might frickin' repeat it.
MSN 10 KTB,
yeah,
pass.
IPW looks like it might be one of the crazy ones today.
I can't see a float on that.
Now, if you want to argue about breakouts, I would say that that's a breakout on the daily.
Oh, yeah.
And the 60 minute.
And the 60.
Can't let a dead dog lie, can you?
I know.
Not with
that's
Devin.
not even the fucker, man.
I only argue when I know I'm right.
And you're always right. So,
That's far from the truth.
and you argue all the time.
Very far from
Been
the
in
truth.
when you're taking trades that aren't even you at all, and I'm like, why would you take that? Well, it makes sense. And I'm like, okay.
I just like how you guys are arguing if it's a breakout or not. Like it fucking matters.
Ask me about the trades the next day, and I'll admit to you that I was wrong.
But in the moment when you're arguing, you can't be wrong.
Well, no, it's different when you're in trades, like you yesterday. Like, it's the same difference.
Immediately after, I was being an idiot.
BBBY.
Immediately.
Bed Bath & Beyond.
I said,
Bed Bath & Beyond's on earnings. Keep that in mind.
Oh, BBBY. Why didn't I hold you, dude? I was in this thing at 32.24.
I'm not touching it.
BBBY?
It's earnings.
Yeah, I was in this thing way early.
You were. Why'd you
Oh.
get it?
I just didn't trust it. And it was moving really funky. Like it would try to go up and just stop, and then come down a little bit and go back to the spot and stop. And I was like, I don't like that.
Let's do it. Same thing.
Now it's doing what I wanted it to do, though. Get that rip.
ASTS trying again.
Didn't trust it, man.
ASTS is running, but we don't have shorts on it.
ASTS.
I got fib lines all over that thing. Where are those from?
ASTS?
Yeah.
Order filled.
Jeez.
That's where
ASTS,
was up in 24s, 26s.
Seriously, I have no clue where this came from. Oh, they're way back here.
Where's I like couldn't find the replace feature there for a second.
From June 8th? 21.
Damn.
Okay, this month. Back up into that area. Look at that. So did BBPY have good earnings, I assume?
Assuming.
Beats.
Oh man, that would have been my big winner right there too. You gotta trust yourself, man. That's another one of those that just didn't do it. Oof. Look like a moron.
I don't really like any. HCM.
Looked like that one could get a little crazy, so we started it just a tad small.
No.
It still looks like it could go.
HCM 600K on the day.
Wow, it literally. Look at the 60-minute on ASTS. I guess this was pre-market or something. The 60-minute on ASTS, it literally bounced right off of it.
Yeah.
Pure double
You
top
still have
there.
ASTS? Oh, yes, you do. 'cause
Yeah,
you're-
yeah, yeah. Only 100K though. I'm kind of watching it. We're starting to run out already.
I'm in the 1426 area.
1470. It's right at 1470. I just checked the candle. And it bounced at 1469. Does not want to retest 14 for me though.
Oh, I see. 1470, yeah. Is that where you got in it, up there by 1470?
I got 1440. It was real whippy. It went up there, rejected, and then it never went back above 50. It was pretty quick.
I think it's too whippy for me. This thing isn't that bad.
No, it was for a second there. When it broke 14, it pretty much whipsawed, and then now it's calmed down.
Not looking at Snap. Not looking at Snap.
Snap, leave me alone!
Order
We're
filled.
saying
Oh,
Snap's the one to look
dang.
at.
Just got filled there.
That's a nice
ASTS.
little drop.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, that's nice. Even better.
Oh, it's at 66. It went to like 72.
I think you still got a shot.
Yeah. We'll see.
But
I think it's
bouncing
going to
right
pop
at the
back
time.
through 14 though. Yeah, that was kind of the FU order, but it didn't give me a chance to get out. It's probably going to bounce here off previous resistance from pre-market.
Ah, man.
I'm so bummed on BBBY, dude. I should post that chart just so you guys can see how stupid I am.
That's frustrating.
Freaking saw that other one moving, was like, ah, screw this thing. Take a small one and
Ewan just had a 60-cent drop.
listen, that dude. I'm really not liking it.
Come on, give us that one more little drop through 80.
No.
They bounce in there, but
Doesn't want to get down through 80 again. There we go. Go, 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 go.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm all out there. ASTS.
$.
Freaking 9 to 5's killing me today.
Alright, man.
Siri just spiked up over a buck.
Went up over a buck?
Yep, went from under 25 to 26.20.
I think it's wacky, dude. I think it's just too wacky, to be honest.
If it was anything else, I'd be looking to short it right here. If it was any other stock. I don't trust it.
This one you're not feeling?
Oh no. No, no, no.
Finally gonna get it. Jeez, look at BBBY. Yeah, like that had that pullback and just right back to the highs, man. Jeez.
ASTS is making a run. I'll pull back.
IPW backside chase.
Did we miss IPW?
ASTS backside chase too. Carrot
I
code small.
guess it was kind of grindy.
FSLY's running.
Jeez, yeah, it is. Those big companies, man, when they make them spikes,
BBBY getting interested. Earnings slash meme for what it's worth. Huge co. Earnings. FSLY decent move. Huge co.
And
Vaughn. BBBY hard pass for me.
What did you get in around 34.75?
35.94.
Daily also sketch re FSLY.
Coming up, pending home sales.
Go to 16 on ASTS if it breaks through.
Squeeze, short squeeze, squeeze.
What are you in?
BBBY.
ASTS plus hot stop.
Good on you. Jeez, FSLY. Look at that pullback.
Squeeze right here, short squeeze.
Dude, that was a slummy shot, and I couldn't find a spot to get in.
Yeah, I didn't like it. FSLY. That's a big company, man. The odds of those pullbacks aren't very
There you go.
likely.
Short squeeze over 50. There we go. Right at 37.
It was literally popping up $1, popping down, popping up.
Yeah, yeah. Come on, ASTS. 1570? Question mark?
37 takes some out there. I am making tons of money, and this is awesome.
Feeling a little frisky.
$38.
He's ripping his shirt off next. Gonna bark like a dog.
Dude, I am feeling frisky with this one, dude. This is got some crazy ass round. Why not? Go, just go to 38.
Go. Just go to 1570.
ASTS cut.
ASTS is running again.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
This is crazy, dude. Alright, I'm all out. Oh my god. Thomas, I'm there.
GHVI 5 provides progress update on tech, EVP and on
Take it out. About 38.
GVN Agile Kipling study, including ahead of
Say, if you didn't make a lot of money on that move, then something's wrong. Thing literally went straight up.
I like him.
Ding dong is up.
Oh, DLL or whatever the hell it is.
Is it just holds it?
On it today.
What a company.
That is the best freaking company name on the market. Yes. You open with respect. Oh my god, this thing is still going. Alright. That is the biggest move I've got in a long time. ASTS to the moon.
I know. Won it through 1550.
You might get it.
Yep.
At least you didn't short it this time.
Yeah.
ASTS to that low float.
52.
52 mil?
Yeah.
To keep an eye on the shares too. I just noticed 67 left, 67K.
Holy crap! Look at frickin' BBBY.
Mad ass.
ASTS 67k shares left.
So he's mad at another half mil.
Missed there on that pop.
He did good yesterday. He didn't lose a mil.
I can't believe I didn't take that, man. I talked myself into waiting for 1550 like an idiot.
He only lost like 480,000.
Dude, look at BBY just go straight up.
Yep.
Holy
Meme stock on earnings. Yeah, I can see it. I'm so mad that I missed ASTS. No.
I triple loaded at that 45.
Dirty.
35.
Sears up over 28 now.
Dirty ASTS.
I missed the first one with you, so I felt some serious short FOMO there.
Did you get it?
Yeah, I just posted.
Oh, thank God. Thankfully somebody got it.
25.
That was such an obvious like that jiggle at 50 was so obvious. I tried to lower my order real quick because I had it up at 1569.
Yeah, I missed the 45, missed the 35, and then tripled at the 30.
Nice. Well, at least I mean, gave you instant gratification.
Look at that EDL.
Check out FSLY too. Holy crap.
Look how BBBY.
Yeah, look at FSLY. It's doing the same thing.
Yep. Really?
Yeah, basically.
It's much momentum. I like BBBY better.
Oh yeah, I'm just all right. God, Jesus.
There's more momentum over there. For me. I'm not arguing with you. I'm just saying this one's better for me.
IPW some dollar on way.
Is it that time of the month again?
Well, I didn't say anything. You're making something out of nothing. Chill out.
Sorry, honey. I'm sorry. Don't hit me again.
Sandy vagina.
Jesus. That's like your defensive mechanism. When you're in a mood, you say someone else is in a mood to make your mood seem like it's plausible.
Moods everywhere.
And then that puts me in a mood.
You're in a mood.
Because of you!
You were in one first thing in the morning.
No, I wasn't!
Oh shit, my monitor just went out. Son of a bitch.
Oh no.
Sorry, did I pop the speakers?
Mood, his monitor's in the mood, everyone's in the mood.
What to look at.
Yeah, BBBY. Look at
BBBY
shorts.
for
Jeez.
sure, dude. Oh,
Did you take it, Oliver?
dude.
That's a little dangerous.
Wake up.
Yeah.
Gained $1.
Wouldn't be surprised to see this thing up at 44 bucks today.
Geez, Siri back up to 29. Holy smokes.
All out FSLY.
You got it good?
Nice, Thomas. Good stuff. Good stuff.
Good play, man.
I was.
Way too chicken for that
I
one.
pulled that up a little late, and I knew it was a bigger company, so I kind of just stayed away from it.
That's what we're talking about, Tim. From red to green.
Wait, what?
You
What were we
went
talking about last time?
Oh, right. Because the plays were there. Yeah.
Small red on LI, and then big red or big green on FSLY.
Yep.
Look at this BBBY. Holy smokers.
Can't chill, dude.
Bet if I went on Reddit, people would be going nuts right now.
You want fucking 50 move up?
I'm rich, bitch.
They said it was dead.
I got a buddy that's like one of those big freaking redditors, man. He drives me crazy.
I just go in there for random stuff. Definitely not for trading advice.
No, you like to put stuff on Facebook all the time. BBBY I've been holding since blah blah blah.
Oh, well, that was just fun because of the GME thing. Well, yeah. I mean, when it was like headline news. I mean, I was on Reddit and Wall Street Bets like well before all that stuff happened. But it was fun. It was funny to watch it. People just dumping their life savings. Oh,
breaking.
GME's up at 300 and it was at 5 not that long ago. Okay, let's dump my life savings into it to the long side.
What do you
Seems
want?
like a good plan.
Ding dong
You got
holds
anything
it
on
up.
what's good?
What's the ticker on Ding Dong?
DDL.
Yeah, DDL. So,
Grocery delivery.
Oh, it's
is
halted.
that what it is? Like ding dong, they ring your bell and you got groceries?
Yeah, I mean,
Play, they play with your ding dong, alright.
No shares.
No,
Didn't pick up.
yesterday.
The only thing looking good is BBBY, dude. What a crazy move that was, dude. And I left freaking over $1 on the table.
So sad about WEI. Went all the way back down close to 2. Actually ran all the way up to 250 though that first time. Dang, that would have been fun.
ASTS, Bravo Michael Tango X-ray,
Don't be sad.
CM Technologies, announced a partnership with Array.
Need more trades.
That's Bravo Michael Tango X-ray.
This PT has like no volume. Dollar stock.
What's the ticker?
PT. Polo Tango.
Papa Tango.
Papa.
Yeah, it's got nothing, dude. I can't stand this dollar stocks, bro.
Oh, you were talking about longing it.
It's so difficult.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't. Yeah, definitely a little extended to be long in it.
I'm not ready for 15,000 shares yet. CBBY, dude.
IPW taking all.
That's my man watch.
This LAIX is cheapo too, but this thing has a history. Can make some crazy moves.
That one. Freaking BBBY is coming down.
ASTS is acting like it wants to take off again.
Is it?
One of those nippy little mofos, dude.
I think ASTS might hit that 16 area and kind of get rejected.
I'm a huge fan of that dollar red candle.
No.
That trips me out, bro.
Pop through 2 here. I'd probably give it a little shot.
More of a short bias there, and I've got shorts. Ooh, Glenn is tanking.
Get it all back.
She's going back home, dude.
Oh, cut through.
LAIX daily is proof. Former runner bot.
I don't have it up, unfortunately.
BTNR is doing nothing.
Yeah, dude. All these ones I thought were gonna have the moves didn't have the moves, and freaking BBBY came in and said, hey, make your money over here.
Oh,
SLY is almost back to high a day.
Yeah,
why
I
does
got
it do that?
I got it.
Oh. I got it.
Disconnect.
What is COG up to?
ATRO, Alpha Tango 1
That's
That's right.
oh, look at that one. This BBY is gonna get Craig. I'm gonna go pee before it.
Why it does that? It's so annoying.
43.98, spike in structure here up 81%.
Goes ASTS. Thomas having 9 to 5 issues. He's got 3 times as many trades as me.
Yeah, and I missed that What was it? That next one on ASTS.
ASTS, yeah, me too.
Because of the damn phone, dude. My phone rang. I looked over to look at it, turned back around. The bitch was done, probably jiggled and dropped.
Yeah, it did too. Right at the $50. I was pretty mad at myself for not starting it. But I had my order too high, so I had to try to lower it real quick. And by the time I did, it dropped 20 cents, and I was like, I can't hit it now.
Yeah, I kept missing on the ask. I had to hit the bid.
Yeah, it was pretty whippy. And it's double topping, man.
Oh, see? When's that new stock opening up today?
Couldn't get that $2 pop on LAIX.
Spread on BBL, 70 cents.
Thomas, did you get FSLY again?
No, negative.
Long ding dong.
You long ding dong?
Has a gap to fill on the bottom.
It does. It's gonna hold down.
Ding dong.
Look at the spread on that thing.
Do it, Thomas. Or Tim, sorry.
It's got to get to the gap for fill frames.
Gotta go a long way to it can't even get to the gap fill before halted.
Thomas. Pull some more charts.
That's this. You got anything up, Jag?
No, not really. Just looking all over the place, trying to find something I like.
BBBY is the only thing I got to watch right now.
Oh,
I don't know what that's
OSAT
gonna do
basically
right now.
HTV.
Is it still ripping? Oh boy.
PT so slow.
Look at FSLY.
My assumption would be
Yes, but
Oh, nice.
You trailing that? Or are you all out?
Well, I'm all out, dude. I didn't get that second move. It wasn't moving as fast the second time as it did the first time.
Yeah.
is this the loser on LI? Yeah.
O Cup is making a run now.
O Cup?
Yep.
Is he O Cup?
I'm not trading that, but
We don't have shorts in that either. I don't know how to do with that, dude. Oh, VWAP maybe. Start watching him. I have a word to it right under VWAP, so if it gets there, we can hear.
Or is it the boom boom boom?
Rotate its float.
What did?
No, that's my down. That's my down alert. Can't remember what it is. Yeah, that's it.
Look at this low K for DDL.
Phew.
Hey, Egg, there's your
Jeez.
9 on the 20 with a rotated float.
Suck.
O cup.
Oh, that's what it is. Float.
I believe it's in a 10 million float. It's traded 25 mil.
Oh damn. Dude, I mean honestly, look at it. It kind of held these. It's low once it hit it. Actually,
Thomas and we were talking about that yesterday.
what's that? The ones that go down, but they rotate their float.
Now when the 9 crosses 20 with a rotated float.
I need it above. 200 above the US. It's just,
Well, take that. Drop tail candle.
I can't get involved in that.
So that's a little scary right there.
He's in that maybe should go territory. I'm back to liking my job.
What'd you eat?
So happy.
Got some orange on the sides of
You
your lips.
realize reds are part of trading, right?
But they shouldn't happen often when they do happen.
Like Cheetos. I mean, yeah.
I rarely have them, man. So when I do have them, it's like, ooh.
So why do you let it affect you?
Yeah, I still can't get that thing to work.
Kill you. It's the emotions.
I mean, it works, but like when I touch it, it's on this screen. It's not that screen. I can't figure out how to get it to work.
There are emotions in trading, man. You're happy when you make money, and you're not happy when you lose it. And just tell them to deal with those. But I think for me, it's just that's not real.
3.3 million compared.
No, I think it's the reaction to the emotions that are important.
That's why I didn't play the rest of the day. I just stopped, so I didn't have that emotional connection to it. And going forward, you know. But I don't deny the emotion that it sucks when I have a red day. I don't like it.
LOL, that was perfect. Lock some and reset trail.
Oops.
LOL.
God, that's a copy looking chart.
Good to make money. I had the crossover, but
I just want to grow up to be like V. We.
I can't get involved in that, man. It's not me.
Dave Hoffman of Sandy Echo called Biosciences announcing first cell test.
Today, made up for yesterday. Not really. Copy trades.
And at CLIC.
I really like any.
That
Just the
Oka
trail
might rip,
ASTS,
but I'm gonna
else
wait for
cashed
it
up.
to rip,
Solid
and
dick.
then I'll see what it does.
Looking at
I don't-
SWBI.
That's what?
I,
SWBI, Smith and Wesson.
it needs to extend more.
Just try
I'm
this
not
again.
gonna lie, dude. That thing never seems to do what I want it to do. Like, look at that daily, dude. It's just going straight up, too. I don't like it. Not
60
right.
straight up too.
Yeah, I mean, dude, since down to 21, it's just gone straight. 2 red candles.
Yeah, it's literally grinded its way all the way up there.
Yeah.
This
That's
ASTS.
not just a grinder today, that's a grinder every day.
Look at FSLY down in the P1s now.
Nice.
Are you in that?
No, negative. It's still nice to know that the system works.
Yes.
He was up there. I think. What'd you get out? 63.
No, I got in at 63.50. My last take profit was at 62.50.
Nice. Nah, I'm just being a dick. Trying to live up to what Devin thinks I am. Sorry, Devin. I can't. I'm so bad.
And the
LI
second one,
tagged at 35 too.
I really didn't take it because it never got any speed. So we don't know what that second move's gonna do anyway.
Yeah.
Old Cup spiked.
Did it?
Yeah, 680. High day.
That candle's looking a lot better, too.
Yes.
More volume, more none of this.
And that thing's rotated its float, what, 6 times?
Yep.
It's about the third time now.
I definitely like that candle a lot more than what it's been doing.
Steve told me to tell you guys that he loves you all and that he will try to check in later.
But he blew up his account and
Did he get out? Wait, what was the deal?
He said he got scared out, so I'm assuming that means he took the rest in after hours yesterday. Yeah, he said it was a pretty big loss.
30.
I mean, it ran to 34, so I don't know when he got out. He didn't tell me. He just said he got scared out and it was a big loss.
He said he was going to try the top ticket.
He did. He did.
I hope he didn't.
Yeah, you can't include after hours because he didn't do it.
He did. He did. He held half in overnight, or he was going to, and then I think it started going up, so he probably took it off.
MUDS. MUDS.
DDS?
Muds.
MUDS. I have shorts on that. Is that what Charlie was just talking about, maybe?
I feel bad for Steve. He's one of my favorites.
Don't feel bad. He knows
What's
that's part
fun?
of what he does.
I just don't like seeing people fail. Bad beats.
When you hold every trade, there will be failures.
Yes.
That comes with what he does.
You could take this as a jiggle, or the real volume hasn't showed up yet. Which one is it?
No, man. I don't like it.
Yeah, I don't like how it just kind of died. Because there's like no volume. If there was a lot of orders going through there, I'd consider it a jiggle, but there's not. It's just sitting there.
I feel like risking on one of these.
ASTS taking all.
That really isn't even up that big. I know it looks huge, but
A pretty good move through previous resistance. 1238 area.
Got out of Smith and Wesson. Ooh, good time too. Let's go. I did well on that.
I'd like to see this through 13. You already in this, Thomas?
that could be yes.
Fun.
When the Thomas doesn't speak, and the Thomas is normally in the pit.
No, I mean,
There you go.
Yeah, I'm at it too.
Volume out of nowhere.
Silver out the December 44th week out there on 80%. That's
Yeah, I didn't like it. Yeah, it was a good extension, but not really my type of play.
I didn't like it that much either, but I took it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I didn't like it either, but I took it.
nothing wrong with that. As long as you got a plan.
Colin, is that saying it would cost you 110 or 200 shares?
Yeah. If I were to, that was the DDL. Isn't that crazy?
It's downright robbery.
Yeah, Lightspeed sucks for locates. That's the game they're playing too. They're just making it so most of them are locatable and they're expensive. Instead of just giving, yeah. Just make
So they became gurus, is what you're saying?
This is what I hate. It's just freaking sitting here. Do something. Tap me out or don't.
What's your average?
Damn, talk to it some more.
there we go.
Talk to it, Thomas. Talk to it.
That stop thing just scared me out. So
You got out of it.
yeah,
Oh, look at it. It's just freaking camping out here.
I don't like that.
Yeah.
That was why I didn't get in the first place.
AMC avoid.
Come get me at 48. Come on.
When you're hot, man.
Oh yeah, look at AMC making a run.
What is?
AMC, nice little move. Hurry up, more. Go get some locates.
Don't make fun of me.
Have you been here long?
It's the wrong room for you, buddy.
I think it might come get you, Thomas.
Yeah, it's trying.
It's under. It dropped under the 9.
Yeah, I moved it down to 44. I'm about to maybe put it in lower day yard territory now.
Symbol not eligible. MNND.
Look at Blackberry. What are you doing, Barry?
Did I get that wrong? M and ND, I think, yeah. Is that LAIX again? Blackberry. All the meme stocks trying to be memes?
Alright with that.
What are you doing with it? Mark?
Think about going long if it pulls back and bounces back.
I didn't realize the volume was only 580,000.
Yeah, it was only 380 when it made that move. That's why I was like, eh.
I didn't realize that when I got in.
Those.
So that's all that matters. It's working good for Thomas.
Thomas got in good enough for me. Let's go.
BBY, where are you going, girl?
We're going back up or down?
I'm down.
Gonna go back home.
We can hit that high and just say, alright. Thanks for sharing.
Saying voice.
That bitch just jumped up and got me before.
I like when Thomas gets mad, it sucks. Freaking whore.
Chart still looks good.
I feel like in this summer market, I'm probably being a little too picky.
Mostly on the day.
Starting to think we might need to adjust just a little bit. Realize we're not going to get the same moves as usual. The follow through is just not there. I should have been in that second trade on ASTS though. That was a good one. It's kind of my own fault on that particular one. Getting a little frustrated that we're not finding trades. You know, I'm wanting to trade, you know, 6, 7, 8 times a day, and I feel like this last week and a half I've been struggling just to get like 2 or 3. It's like, yeah, I'm exercising my patience, but at the same time I'm not making money. But I mean, this is where if you can make that kind of money in the months
C-A-N-O.
where
C-A-N-O, Kano.
if you can make the money in the months that are popping,
Charlie, Alpha, Nancy.
you know, it makes up for these kinds of months. But
Coming off the top.
I'd like to see some speed up there to get to like at least back to high a day.
Coming off the bottom, huh?
Yeah.
I think Dan was down there by the Kraken.
I'm gonna sit that one out, bro.
Yeah.
the market guru, yeah, right.
Actually have shorts on that stupid thing, but
Exactly what I'm facing at the moment. Why I'm looking at ISW. The summer
I have no
market
idea
is
what
trash.
the
Yeah,
hell it is.
I mean, without ISW, I can't imagine. I mean, I feel like, yeah, I probably missed a couple trades today, so it's like I could have had 2 or 3 trades instead of just 1. But at the same time, like if you didn't have ISW, I mean, you're not even getting those plays. I mean, look at the ones we had at the open. What were they, like Dare, VTNR, or ASTS was one of them, I think. But how many times do you have a watch list and those just don't do anything?
I just can't
Absolutely
freaking
nothing.
find that thing, dude.
GHVI or Kano?
Hey now, what's the other one?
GHVI?
GHVI?
Gary Harvey.
Good morning, Nick.
Indigo.
GHVI.
Volcano's so weak.
Not a ton of volume.
GHVI.
Hard to pick up though. Yeah.
GHVI, volume out of nowhere.
Yeah.
Yeah.
GHVI bot.
Sixteen 23.
On Android line, digital holds again on a circuit breaker, $6.74, roughly May and November. LMP, Lockheed Martin.
I should have jumped in that one. I don't like the way it's moving.
I know, I didn't jump in either. I had an order. Wanted to go in at 1560 and it went over and I just go, I don't know.
Yeah, literally look at my stream. Yep, same here. I was literally hovering the button with 1560 and it was just sitting there on the bid and I just never hit it.
The way it was kind of doing a little up and down action, I was like, I don't know about this thing.
I'm like, maybe I go a smaller size and then I can add to it.
Well, that's what I was gonna do. There was really no reason for me not to be in that except for the fact that it was the volume out of nowhere. I hate those. They do. Oh, they definitely hate me. I would say, since I've been with ISW, over 50% of the money I've lost is from volume out of nowhere plays. Yeah.
It's always a rough.
That would have been a nice one too.
Well, that's the thing. You hit that, right? With smaller share size, you get a smaller win, right? But then what happens when it's that one that goes to 20 and you end up taking a big loss? The risk to reward just isn't there for those. I have no problem getting in on like the second bar because at that point you've realized, okay, it's not going straight the F up. But that first bar with the volume out of nowhere, it's just like, I just can't do it. Just not anymore. I just can't do it. It's burned me so many times. Because you don't know. It could be a buyout at $23. Like you don't know that.
But when
But-
it did burn, were you looking for the jiggle back then? Because you can't say you always looked for the jiggle. So
No,
that has to
I
be
mean,
some consideration into your stats.
if you go back and like watch a couple of my first videos, I wasn't calling it the jiggle and I wasn't probably as good at finding it, but I was looking for it. Just in a much different way.
True. Okay. But I would also agree you weren't as good as you are now.
Yeah, I agree with you. But the wise person in me also says the risk to reward's not there. And I believe that to be true too.
We said we weren't going to talk about me being inside of you anymore. That's good.
But that's my favorite part.
My dad's lagging.
How else are we supposed to make up?
I am the wise person that gets inside Vash.
Sophie, talk about volume out of nowhere.
That thing's been wacky the last few days, man. I'm in this queuing, but I'm not too certain about it. I like to see it through higher day. That'd make me very happy.
API is back up.
Come on,
Yeah.
right here, let's go. Come on,
I'm king with Sophie.
Smith and Wesson, die.
What, Q? Are you saying QN?
TUEN.
Oh, that one.
BTNR is talking.
Push that
GHVI through higher day.
Yeah, I'm watching it through 16 here. Well, that I'd be interested in.
Through 16.
Yeah.
Still not fluid.
Isn't it crazy it had that pullback all the way down there without a single red candle. So slow. Thought
Motherfucker,
you'd think the
IPW.
volume would have picked up there.
Sorry, had to.
Oh, IPW. Ouchie. IPW stopped at the I love you number. 8 letters, 3 words, 1 meaning. Minus 32 this morning. Entered too early on the burb around 225 just to get stopped on 219. Ended up bouncing near the $2 level and jumped back to the daily highs. The worst part was that 205 was my original plan to enter. Well, your plan worked. Now you just got to learn how to follow your plan.
So hopefully it moves now. Hey, there we go. Push, 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 push. Let's do this.
Shin, yeah, buddy.
Push. Some out there just in case. We're just having a lot of problems here.
Shouldn't do good.
Look at that chart he just posted.
Talk about some
Iron testicles.
Talk about the weren't you the one that said jackpot earlier too? Let me see. Yep, Dear Diary. Jackpot.
Wow, you held through.
Yeah, that 1073 move, but
Jesus.
that was
I
some
wouldn't
balls
know.
of steel, man.
Yeah.
But good catch.
Yeah, you know, I would have been stopped out there too, 100%, but that's what I'm saying. A lot of times, that's why I like stopping out there, because if it is one of those liquidity grabs before these dumps, then it's definitely worth trying to get back in. But you also get burned sometimes like that. That happened to me on that one that happened at the end of the day last week or the week before.
I think CUEN is about to run.
Yep, literally the same thing there on Siri. They do that little liquidity grab,
But I feel
and then
this
they
is
send it.
right here. Grab an
See what?
CUEN. Nope, all out.
Oof. You get any slippage on that? Getting out?
No, not much, man. And I got out half of it at the top, so worked out.
Watching MTC.
It's gonna fly.
Who got in
MTC on
SoFi? Kinda weird.
2.70, please.
They mentioned it. I don't know if anybody got in.
Still think this thing is gonna go, but I'll hold through the pullback.
Is that a half grab at the top, Kevin?
Yeah. We got half.
Our GHVI is running again. I'm glad I got out when I did. Bottom ticket on my exit.
Wish it would actually run.
I know. And then the volume, I don't like. I shouldn't have got in when I did. Got lucky to make money on it.
What a bull.
Breakout on the daily above 1620.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at Blend all the way back to highs, man.
Oh yes, it is. And halted, right? Yeah.
That thing's bananas, dude. That's a hard one to trade, though, with all those halts.
Yep.
It's not my fave.
Lately, I've been getting my trades right now. I just need to work on my patience. It's crazy to think I can be profitable with this one strategy, but I'm the only one stopping myself. Isn't it crazy? It took me forever to learn that it wasn't the strategy. It was me. It took me 11 months. 11 months of Tinker Tim to realize that the strategy had nothing to do with it.
Did you make any money on your last trade? Did you break even?
It's all up there.
My last trade?
Yeah.
Go watch Trading in the Zone. Again, if you haven't. Or if you have. You talking to me, Jag?
No.
Alright.
Seven.
If you haven't watched Trading in the Zone, the workshop that I have on my channel, go watch it.
They could have. I would have taken.
If you have watched it, go watch it again. I've watched that thing probably 10 times.
GHVI is almost over 16. Still
Yep.
don't trust the bot.
Yeah.
HBI. Oh, Billy Blin. BLIN.
Orders opened.
Yeah.
We have no shares there.
Right. Bitch just running.
Pull back 2 guys to fill.
Oh yeah, what was that other one? DDL.
EDL. Is he gonna do it?
Ooh, was it? Did it get it? No, it didn't get it.
No, just barely. Damn it.
See you later.
Had a good one for that one too.
Good one. That one will go without.
Yeah. I don't know what to do with that one.
The Daily Trading Coach. I haven't read that one. I don't read though. That's probably the issue.
Freaking Sophie could not go through pre-market highs.
This GHVI is just not enough volume for me.
It scared me the last time when I was in it.
Yeah.
Debate. I want to see some speed and a little more extension.
The problem is if it extends now, you're going to be through that resistance on the daily. And then
Yeah.
I would say you're in breakout territory all the way up there to 1780.
Yeah.
Which stuff?
GHVI. Giovanni.
Look at that thing, man.
I'd love to see it just bust through the 1620 and go right to 17. That'd be cool.
That would be.
The Daily Trading Coach. See if they have it on. They do have it on YouTube.
What's going on, Bull Bears? Today we're going to be talking a little bit of trading psychology.
Oh, I don't think this is the book. Yeah, I don't think that's the book. Where's Tom? Which Tom? There's a lot of Toms. I just want to trade. I'm so bored. I feel like I'm at the poker table just folding and folding and folding and folding.
34.
I think GHVI is gonna break down, but it just doesn't have any volume.
No.
ABCE Aerobase shares opening at $28, priced at $14. That's Alpha Victor Tango Echo.
I love looking at new IPOs. Just huge, chunky bars.
Yeah.
What's the new one?
AVTE. Alpha, Victor, Tango, Echo. Opened at 28. It's already down to 25. Look at that volume.
Yeah. You know it's gonna bounce off after the halt, though.
It says the price is at 25.37.
Yeah, I don't know what the deal is with that.
Oh, what the what?
What
the heck?
25.52 is the halt price.
Yeah, I see that. Well, no, it says 24.92
Yeah, so nothing makes any
or
sense.
93. But yeah, it says the last print was 25.37.
Yeah.
Oh, here goes GHVI through that 23 area. Go. Go.
I'm not with it that though either.
Grinded.
Oh, learning the day trade, Tom? He's still around. He posts on Twitter.
Anything else would grind.
Book basically has a chapter for every problem a trader can have. The author is well known in the trading community, and he talks about the solutions to be able to guide yourself through these obstacles. I feel like I've heard of the book. I just never read it. Let's see. Daily Trading Coach. Brett Steenbarger. Yeah, I wouldn't say I was shy. Maybe on the second ASTS trade that I feel like I should have been in, but it's been pretty slow. It's been slow for the last week and a half.
That's what he uses. And someone already put a block trade on it?
That's probably what halted it.
On you?
Oh, on you. Never mind. I thought you were talking about that AVTE.
Need like a 500,000 share candle on GHVI.
Yes, please.
I think he's got no volume, dude.
No.
I have volume when I move up. And it just said, it's good. Stop looking at that one.
What, GHVI?
Yeah.
I can't.
There's nothing else to look at.
And there's not like that's anything great to look at.
Yalla. Trying to go. Oh, 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 oh.
I got some volume. It got over 74,000 volume. Oh my god.
What's the strategy with IPOs?
None.
Yeah, none.
You don't trade them.
Not like a...
Only when it's like the hot thing that week could it be worth possibly looking at. It's getting tempting.
But this candle has a bunch of volume.
Getting tempting. But yeah, like my biggest winner to date was an IPO. I forget what ticker it was. But that was also when I was trading size I shouldn't have been trading. And I traded in pre-market. Devin was there for that.
You don't do.
That was a long time ago. That was before ISW.
You're technically kidding if I think it was Neo, but it wasn't in pre-market because IPOs don't open up in pre-market.
Oh yeah, you're right. My biggest trade wasn't that then, because I was thinking of a different one.
We did have a big winner in pre-market once. I remember.
Yeah, yeah, that was it.
That was just
Yeah,
some
that.
random,
Yeah, I think you're right. It was just something that was running.
random weird low floater or something.
Starting to get a little volume.
Order filled.
I just took a starter.
Did you? What are you in at?
87. Looking for the $50 retest for this move. But okay with it if it goes. I started pretty small.
Oh, volume push there too.
Order filled.
Wanted 1725 on that.
You got in 1725? Nice.
No, I wanted to. It didn't get there. I mean, it got there on the bid, but not the ask. So it didn't fill it.
One penny.
What are you in at?
I have a take profit. Oh, there it goes. I was say it missed me by a penny. My average is 1703.
Yeah.
Still looking for the other part down towards the 1650.
My average is 1711.
Order cancelled.
Trying to just take most of it here at 63. Oh, a penny again. What the heck? There it goes. All right, I'm out most. I'm down to leftovers. I'm gonna see if I can't ride these all the way back down to like 15 or some crap.
Ride it, girl.
Michael. All those shares getting a pop here to the high, $2.45.
GHVI $. Totally forgot to say I got in. So what?
Nice one.
I really don't want this to go back through 17, but I'll see what it does if it does. Ideally, we'd want the volume to die back off again.
It is trending that way.
Yeah.
I mean, this candle got no volume really through the half, through the 30 seconds.
On that press release, getting a pop here, $4.72. That's maybe a Victor X-ray.
Where's the backside indicator?
We haven't even got a bounce yet.
How much is that? Like $80 a month or something?
I think it was 60. I think. I don't remember. Freaking nailed that pullback.
Low.
Literally, the low of that candle was 63. That's where I got my order. Hell yeah.
I'm a genius, boys.
Hopefully it goes lower now. That'd be nice.
Finally missed GHVI.
Yeah, it finally went.
IPOs.
You-
I only bought 10 of them.
Wait, what? What ticker is it? Oh, U?
Yeah.
Is that YouTube?
No, it's an IPO, Clear Secure Incorporated.
Come on, maybe at least try that 1623 again. That was the daily breakout area, the hourly. There's a lot of reasons for you to go back down there.
Yeah, but I missed it by a penny to get it.
There we go. There we go. Break that 50. That's our average 1703. Let's get back and get it closer. Leave it at 1701. Whoa! There went AVTE. That was a weird open.
What? I wish I would have gotten this heavier. I actually debated on adding when I was testing that 17, but.
Yeah, I gotta add at 1720.
I wish I got in at 1720.
Yeah, that would have been nice.
1711 and never added.
I wish I was here.
Yeah, true that.
Hey, I wish I wasn't here and missed it because of that, than missing it by a penny to get in.
Yeah, you feel worse than I do.
That's why I never put my orders out, dude. I just freaking click the button wherever I want to be in.
Yeah, it literally missed me by a penny twice. That was kind of funny.
Get out there at the bottom right now. In some of it. 100 left.
Yeah, if this gets back up to 17 at this point, I'm out. I'm not gonna let this go back through.
I don't think it's gonna though.
I think we're going back to 15.
Yeah, that's on 16. I'd probably have to take up 50. Let's be wet.
Yeah, I'd probably take some there too. I don't really have much left, but
Yeah, I don't know. I just make the whole thing. I can't keep leaving off 50 shares. ACHC. Nothing. Thank you for that news show.
MYSZ trying a crappy dollar sign.
He's gonna burn on her butt.
Dude, yeah, what's going on there? It's like slap blister.
That's a hole in the thing.
That's a great blister.
Yeah, it's the lighting makes it look that way for sure.
I don't like her going back up.
And yeah, they're gonna liquidity grab at 17, man. It's frustrating. There's no volume, man. Why are you going back up? It never did break the 9 on the 2 minute, which is kind of frustrating. I think 95 is going to be my stop. It's the top of that candle that tried to get back through 17 and didn't.
I just added to it so this either works or it doesn't.
Yeah, I just put my stop in at 95. It's a nice top wick there. Hopefully it forms the top wick. Be nice if it sends up a red candle.
I would like this candle to break that previous 6 year.
15 seconds. Get a drop into the 60s. Go. Go. No, wrong way. Oh, now you're making it look bullish. No. It's kind of in between.
Drop it hard.
Flush it, baby. Flush it.
Drop it hard.
Drop it like it's hard. That doesn't really make sense. Yeah, I mean, if this breaks 1650 this time, that would be your backside indicator right there.
For sure.
Right, this is the bounce right here that got to 1690, and then if it comes down and breaks 1650 or 47 technically, that would be your backside.
1690, it's an ABCD.
Goddamn indicators. So MYSC is trying.
That's the hard part, man. Like, you never know what this is gonna set up to be. That's why you can't trade off that garbage.
I 100% agree with you.
Could be backside or this could be ABCD.
That's what I was trying to say. Was it yesterday or the day before? It's like the only way that stuff actually works is if everyone is looking at it.
There we go.
Me and Devin are in the same trade, rooting for it to do the same thing. This is weird.
I'm uncomfortable.
Yeah, I feel a little uncomfortable right now.
Just because I added back in some share size again.
Need that 50 break. There it is. Come on. Nope. You were so close.
Figure just in case it doesn't break. We get back over 1680. I'm gonna say goodbye.
Yeah, I'm actually gonna lower mine to 91 now. On top of that, play the pivot there, if it lets me. There we go. Look at this MYSZ. Keep going. This wants to shoot up to $2. I'm gonna play it.
Break it.
NYSC up bond.
Break it.
There it is. Go, 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 go. You gotta at least test this 23, right?
I actually have share size left here, so this is actually worthwhile. Getting better at that, man. Adding to these. After I take some profit, instead of just calling it a day, add back in.
He hasn't even got back down to 50% of the whole move. It's coming from the bottom.
I just took half of my leftovers right there, just because that's where that line is, 1623. Still keeping the same stop though, 91. Ideally, if it bounces, we would obviously want the $half here to hold it down.
I'll be honest, dude, my stop is now like 63. Above that, I'm calling it a day. My average is down to 82 because of the ad.
Yeah, I mean, we want the $half to hold this down anyway, after the plummet through there. That's why I took half off there, just to kind of lock it in. Wait, Dare's high of day?
There it goes.
Yeah, it's garbage. Don't even look at there.
I try to let the 200 run, dude. I think this has got to run all the way down here, like 15 bucks.
Yep, I'm holding the rest for 15 at this point.
That's not bad, dude, because I'm actually holding, my initial position was 300, so I'm actually holding 3/4 of my initial position.
Hell yeah, good shit.
Because of the ad. But, so. Trying to get better at that, dude. So
yeah, pretty obvious ad there, right? I mean, that's the backside that we're talking about. That's where a lot of people start their positions, right there.
Yeah, on that second test of the high and fail.
Yeah, that thing I always call sloppy seconds.
Yeah, it has to go up and fails. When I got
INUV? What is this thing doing? Dollar, always trying to break a dollar. Dollar make you holler. Stopped at 0.999. 9? You want $1? 999. Oh, 9995. It's almost there. Oh, God. 9999. Oh. It keeps saying $1 on the chart, but it doesn't actually get to it. Oh, here we go. GHVI. Go, go, go. Get down to 16. Break VWAP. Oh, baby. Let's do what you think, like we'll just do whatever the trail is from here. I feel like that would be enough. So 91, 32, that's what, 56? Boom. Yeah, I just put a trail on it so I don't have to watch it anymore. I'm just starting to get hungry. I'm thinking about making some food. Be right back. Oh, it's time to stand up too. Oh, man. Oh, my knees.
You're a perfect entry on this stock, dude.
I am so glad I didn't play ball yesterday. Holy smokes.
I don't think it's gonna break $1.
Took it all off, man. I am way up on the day. It is break time. I am gonna take a break.
Only granted me that position without the shareholder approval because of the combination with liquidation. That would be proper time, so.
I'm so glad I had that ad.
Yeah, it was a good trade.
And without that ad, it wouldn't have been as nice, but that ad made it worthwhile. This is not too heavy because I kind of hate these, but
I came in on the ask, and then it hit my FU order in that one candle, so I never got to add. I'm trying to do that more. It's just like shotgun it, you know, where I'm trying to average in. I'm tired of just getting starter fills.
so like you top ticket, just kind of shotgun it on the way down. Or...
Yeah, I mean, depending on how it moves, I try to save some for a pop, but I'd like to get into like closer to full size more often. It seems like lately, you know, I get my entry, and then it just hits my FU order, and it's a small win instead of something nice.
Yeah,
I guess it's better than losers.
Starter entries add up nice. Stop bitching about them, they grow your account.
I was gonna say the same thing, but I wasn't gonna sing it.
That's why I added in though, because I mean, if it's going lower, I might as well get bigger share size. Why go in with 100 shares still when I could have 400?
I pay the same fees no matter what. So, like, I could go starter. You know what I mean? Like, I would like to get closer to full size on some of these trades, and then the wins would be bigger than the losses all the time.
Yeah.
Try it out. See how it works.
Yep.
I have been. You've seen my charts lately. Shotgun.
Yeah. I hate being the person to say that we're in a market where that works, but we're in a market where that works.
What do you think?
Like, there's not a lot of follow through right now, so you're not running into any that puts you in any kind of pain.
Would they just keep going up? You mean?
Yeah. Like, we're not getting those ones where like GHVI, you'll run into those ones where GHVI ends up at 19. And if you start shotgunning it here at the beginning and you don't actually get that pullback to the FU order to get you out of any of your position, now you're carrying what you are now talking about possibly being full size or closer to full size up to 19.
Yeah, I'd like to hit like half on most of these. Half of my full size, and then still have half for, like, you know, the jumpers.
Yeah.
I get what you're saying. I mean, volume's low. The market's not all that crazy right now. Come November, December, that may get me in some trouble.
Just saying, I'm not saying you can't do it or can't try it or it's wrong. I'm just saying be careful.
Do you guys,
valid.
Vesh, do you perceive this market as slow right now?
100% for this type of trading.
Volume-wise.
Yeah, moves have been huge.
On how many tickers?
I'm amazed with the way I love it when it's not on every ticker. I like it when I can focus on a few.
Yeah, because you can concentrate.
Exactly.
You're not like a fucking squirrel.
Even when it is on a lot of tickers, you know me, I focus on one. I'm like, F the rest of these.
But that's what I'm trying to say. Right now, it's like 1, 2, maybe 3 tickers a day to even look at. So yeah, to me, that is a pretty slow market.
But there's money to be made.
There's always money to be made.
Well, sometimes, like a few weeks ago, we were in this, or I don't know, 3 weeks ago when we were in that, it was super slow. Like the biggest mover you had on the day was like 10%, 10%, and that's hard to make money.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, right now, I guess part of why I would say it's slow is the only ones that are moving big are low floats that we can't play anyway. So I have no interest in them. SSY trying to go.
SSY.
What's going on, kids?
Steve.
Money, boy.
Hey.
Trade.
What happened?
What happened?
I turned into a wimp and it cost me a crap load of money.
I totally thought you just said you turned it into a win. I was like, wait, what?
Nah, oh man. I wish I had the balls to do that. I don't have the balls to I wish I had the balls to revenge trade like that.
When did you actually get out? Right there after hours?
32 and change.
Yeah, that sucks.
Yeah, it's good. You know, I went down 29, then it's a 31, 32, 34, 33, 32, 33. I was like, oh, crap. This thing's going to fucking 40. Sorry for, hopefully you're not streaming. I apologize for that.
I am.
It's quarter.
Yeah, thank you.
I sent everyone, I gave E-Trade money, so I might as well give you some.
Yeah, well, I know you've already looked at it today, but don't look at it today.
Oh, no, I saw. I forget. After I covered, it never touched 32 again.
Yeah, I mean, you did say you were trying to top ticket, so.
I know. I'm actually disappointed. I wish I had 34.
You only missed about like $1, dude. You were pretty close.
Well, I look at it as a failed trade if I didn't top tick my cover.
Get down to 16 here.
Oh well. It is what it is. I saw it hit 24. Nothing I can do about it. That money is gone and it ain't coming back until I do something about it.
I think we can put a tighter stop on this now. I wonder if you can replace that. Oh, you can. That's a little too close, though. Go for it. Go for it. I still don't like how close it is. I want to use that pivot a little bit. We're like right back to where we would have been. What did I have it at? Like 60? Or it was, yeah, it was something like that.
Oh, everything's good on my loan, guys.
That's good enough.
Your loan?
I had to make sure there's nothing, no liens against it, and we just said we got the payoff amount. I'll go in there before the closing date and sign, and we're done.
Sweet.
This is basically sold.
On XPEV, X-Ray Papa Echo Victor.
XPEV.
I've been in it for a little bit.
Expov.
Average is 44.66.
What'd you get in up here?
I didn't mean to get in up here. This
Do it. I love how it does that. Last print was 09, and then it goes higher. Give me that break.
Yeah, I got impatient, man. I want to take a nap.
Put a trail in.
That's what I did. I keep messing with it though.
You started at what, 56 cents?
Well, yeah, I ended up at 50 again. Well, I thought it could be tighter because that's where it was based on where that pivot was, and I wanted to stay above that pivot for at least this move, so that's why I switched it again.
Why I took it out because
Pivot!
it would have. I already said I was gonna stop out above 1650, so I would have just lost a little bit of money that I could have made.
Yeah, like with my trail now, my stop's at 59, which would be pretty perfect. It's right above that last little pivot through 50.
Yeah.
Hopefully this VWAP is just a blah attempt. The 9's coming down to cross VWAP, and hopefully that's going to send it back to 15.
I hope it does.
Yeah, ideally it won't. It'll probably touch this like 1580 area, I think, is where it'll really try to bounce. Or steady out, I should say.
It's a good day, man.
Yeah, I was hoping SSY would go bananas there at high of day, but it just stopped.
Which one was that one, Tim, that we both tried to get into that we ran out of shares that we didn't realize they ran out of shares?
WEI. Or WIE. One of the I think it was EI. Yeah, EI. I see it on the bear scan watch list over there.
Might even call it early today, dude. Feel like I had that crappy day yesterday. I've made up for that and then some.
I'm pretty.
Tie rod at some point.
What is a tire rod?
It's a rod that ties.
Tire.
Oh, let's go! Kind of want to put an FE order out.
That thing took a DUMP.
75.
There you go, Tim. Keep it going.
Tie rod is what steers your tire.
Oh.
So when you turn left, it's got a ball joint at the end.
Totally thought somebody was going to do the let me Google that for you thing.
I bit my tongue.
Well, guys, if you guys are gone before I get back, I'm taking a nap, so good luck.
Good.
Later, man.
See you in 10 minutes.
It'll probably be 20 to 30, hopefully. I'm tired.
More frustrating when the tow truck driver broke it. Son of a bitch.
Are they paying for it?
I have to prove that they
Do
broke
it.
Good
Do it. Do it. Do it.
luck. Fight for a $40 part.
Does not want to do it. I think 29 is going to be our stop here. Yeah. So let's just put the range order in. Stop. Range. Low 15.82. High 16.30. Cancel.
Order
Cancel.
cancel.
What the fuck is the EDIT going?
I don't know, I'm watching space.
Oh, look at that thing. Come on, break it. Nothing else to do but watch you break. Except for this edit. I'm pretty sure I've traded edit before.
It's one of those ones where I'd be ready to just throw something at it.
It's a pretty big company. 3.42. But yeah, no, I agree with you. It won't break 16.
That's alright. It hasn't had a red candle in what, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 16 minutes?
Some sort of positive data.
True. Look at it go. It's in FOMO squeeze mode. All the people getting in down in here at 48, and now you got people up here like, okay, I don't want to miss it. Ooh, shin, ouchie. I feel like I could put my FU order even lower. I feel like if this finally breaks 16, it's just going to go kerplunk. But I got a feeling I'm going to get stopped because this thing's being annoying.
Where's your stop? 1630?
Yeah. Just playing them little pivots that it's making. I mean, above 1630 there, you can clearly see that it would be attempting to go back up to 50.
Yeah, you're right over that 15-minute line that B uses. So he would normally be getting heavy right here, and you're just going to get that random dump.
15-minute line? What are you talking about?
From the high day.
Do you know something I don't know?
High day was what? I don't know. 10:55?
Right. Oh, you're saying 15 minutes.
Yes, 15
like
minutes.
After. Gotcha. I mean, it already gave back its full move, though. Like, to me, the move was right here at 1625 or whatever. So to me, it already gave us the full move. This is me just looking to get some lucky extras. But yeah, that's what I'm saying. If it flushes 16, I have a feeling it's going to like flush. Like, I feel like I could go lower. But I was playing that previous resistance at 1580.
I'm back.
Hola, ¿cómo está?
Not too much. Actually, a ton of stuff is going on, but nothing related to trading.
See, I would have been golden in EDIT. Would have been saying money on the way.
Yeah, Errol, SSY finally trying to do something. Will you just break 16
Market
already?
behaving for any of you guys?
I think we're all doing pretty good today. I don't think anyone... I think Shin just posted the first red... well, Thomas had a small red trade earlier. There's the break. It was not the flush I was thinking we were going to get, but...
There it goes. Whee! Come on, let's go!
No, at least give me that 80 test. Come on. It's not... I'm not asking for much.
75. Go to 75.
Just test that previous resistance. Guess there was a lot of people with some liquidity there. Jerks. What did it get to? 96? It wasn't even that low. 93. SSY, go baby, go. Oh, it's only a 5 mil float. Damn.
Come on, SSY.
I know. I want it to go. If it runs a 4, man, I'm interested. See if the salmon is.
Let's go CNET to 20. Go, go.
CNET up bond.
I don't know why I keep typing that in caps.
That was going to be a question for later.
I think I just do it because I'm abbreviating, and I just naturally, like with the symbols, I capitalize them. I don't know.
Anybody still in GHVI?
I am.
Look at you being a maniac.
I have an order at 82. I was waiting for it to hit it there. I thought I was going to get it. If it breaks 90, I got a feeling we will. Oh! What? Okay, there it goes. I was like, why did it fill me?
Is VON volume out of nowhere?
Yes. I need to stop capitalizing it, though. That's what I kept... I was mad at myself for doing that. All out of GHVI.
All right, dudes. Good luck for the rest of the day.
You all good, Colin? That sounded kind of, yeah.
Yeah, I'm 2x goal. I just was hoping to get one more before I logged off and couldn't find anything.
Gotcha. All right, man. See you in the morning.
See you in the morning.
Who was at the subscribe? Thank you, if you're in here.
It didn't work.
I'd like one more trade myself. And now it's gonna... I was gonna say, now it's gonna go to 15 probably.
I was like, I don't know why you got out. I said it was going to 75. You got out up there.
82 versus 75? Come on, man.
I didn't say it was stopping at 75. I said it was going to 75.
Yeah, you know me, dude. You know how hard it was for me to just sit there and wait that long? Like, my insides were turning.
I don't know, dude. I've gotten to that point. Once I can put that trail in, I'm done. You know, yeah, I'll come back and move it for the pivots, but other than that,
yeah. I just want to get to the point where I can like just keep taking 50% of the leftovers, and it actually means something. Steve's changed his name. I love it.
What's his name now?
Steve, I'm gonna take a picture. I'm gonna take a picture of my thing from today, just for you.
What, the girl slapping the guy's the girl slapping the girl's ass?
That's the
No.
That was the only picture worth looking at. What else did you have there?
No, I'm gonna post it. I never posted it. I'm posting it now.
Oh, okay.
Cheat the noob.
Learning traders, stay away, stay away.
Sorry, man.
Shit happens.
I know. Still feel bad.
There you go.
When the student is ready, the teacher will appear, huh?
Just like a genie.
Is that one of those day count things?
Yeah. I actually started like keeping the ones that I really like, and I'm like putting them on my wall. I taped them to my wall. I did it all last year, and I only kept 2, and then I've kept 2 from this year. Actually, I guess 3, because that one.
Pickup line.
Yeah, the ones I kept that are on my wall. The one up top says, "I can and I will. Watch me." The second one says, "Consistency is the key to success." The third one is, "The purpose of life is to be happy." And the fourth one is, "Energy and persistence conquer all things."
No, they don't. I was really energetic and persistent that the stock was going to go down. It didn't.
I mean, it went down. Just without
fuck
you.
It didn't go down to where you need it.
If you were energetic, you would have kept on adding, right?
Oh,
That is
Yeah,
weird.
that's shitty, man.
I was
having a
trading on
good
paper
time.
and had a trailing on my real with the paper.
You had a trailing your paper? What?
No, I was practicing putting in trailing orders, and when I put it in on the paper account, it put it on my real account.
Well, that's
Did
not
it?
good.
Did you change
No,
it back in the montage?
Not sure what you mean.
So on the right side of the montage, see where like the TMP is? Right under that, you can change your account.
Yeah, yeah.
So
yeah,
if you hit TMP, it might go back to your original, your real account.
I was like, what the fuck?
That's what I'm saying. There's a reason it switched back. You just have to figure out what you did to make it switch back.
You make any money?
Yeah, well, and how can you, well, I guess he couldn't even put the trail in because he didn't have any shares. I don't think that would actually do anything. If you tried to put in a trail order with no shares, it would probably just do nothing. Well, if I would have got that second ASTS trade, I would definitely be at goal after that GHVI trade. That was a good one.
If I got GHVI, I'd be a goal.
You didn't get it, Jag. Shut up!
I'm a little bitter.
I would be pretty bitter.
WEI, yeah, that'd be nice.
Yeah, that would really suck if I was missing trades because of something else. I'd be pretty pissed.
Yeah, 9 to 5 got me today. But it didn't get me. I'm green. I can't complain. I went green, red, back green. I'm good.
Jag, did you see that one I posted this morning? It was like real early when everyone was saying good morning. The one with the guy sitting at the bar.
Oh yeah.
That made me laugh at the one you just posted.
That was good. So was the log.
Yeah, the log was pretty good too.
That's a good one.
What prompted Colin to post what he posted as far as a picture? Because those pictures with no context are just out of nowhere.
Maybe that's why he posted.
Why wouldn't you post that picture?
I agree. I agree. I was just curious what prompted it.
Yeah, I have no problem with him posting that. Yeah, he said right under backside indicator.
Oh, is that what that is? Yeah, when you see the picture, you're certainly not reading what's under it.
Such a simp.
I mean, come on. That's like someone getting Playboy for the articles.
Oh, what's his name? Baker? Rowan? Roby? Road? God, what's his name?
Baker Mayfield?
No, they call him Baker, but that's not his first name. Rube.
Brad.
That's it. Rube. He's the catcher in Major League 3. And
yeah. He repeats all the articles.
Yeah.
Was that 3 or that was 2? I thought
That was 3.
2. That was 3?
Pretty sure
that was
that was
quality.
3.
That was a quality collection.
That might have been 2, actually. He's in 2 and 3, but for some reason I always thought that the Back to Miners one was when he did that. But no, you're probably right. I think it is 2.
I think it was 2.
You know, I need to watch those. I haven't watched those in a while.
Blacker.
Dude, oh, trust me, when I mean a while, I mean like within the last like 6 months. I watch the Major League 1 and 2 every year at least 2 or 3 times. They're my favorite movies.
I watch them until the wife comes in and grabs the remote and says, "You're not watching that trash." And she puts on her.
Dude,
and she
Major
puts on her
League
trash.
1. I said Major League 1 is a love story. What is she talking about?
Yeah.
It is Jake Taylor and his wife, man. It's literally a love story. And then at the end, you just get that moment. You just get that moment when he's like, "The Indians win it! The Indians win it! Oh my God, the Indians win it!" Like, tell me every time you watch that part, you don't get chills. Every time. I've seen that movie over 1,000 times, and I get chills every time I watch it. Just the acting right in that moment.
Game, that gives me chills.
Yeah, well, a lot of baseball movies give me chills. I don't know. It's always been my sport.
Get that one, and what's the other one? Not Field of Dreams. No, what's the one with crap?
Like, how old are we going here?
It's the one where with Crash Davis. And the pitcher, the cocky pitcher that gets called up and then sent back down.
You talking about? Is that Bull Durham?
Yes, yes. Love that movie.
Boulder Ham.
That's the one with Costner in it. As the catcher.
Correct.
Yeah.
Guys, I think we need a rain out. Someone call for a rain out?
Yeah. I like when he tells him the pitch is coming. This is like the ultimate fuck you.
Kindly. Why don't you mention my name, City kindly?
Thomas, you might have been right about your 75, but I was right about it bouncing off that area.
Yeah.
He's like, yeah, shut up.
The signs,
Trash cans.
The Astros stealing signs 2 years ago. That reminded me of it.
Yeah. I love all those movies.
Oh, fantastic.
You can't sleep.
What'd I tell ya?
That was what, 11 minutes?
I can't sleep. I need to go make more.
I don't even know why.
Talk about first world problems.
Oh, SSY, you jerk face.
Dude, I used to be able to nap every day.
Not today, Junior.
But it's raining really hard out and it kind of woke me up because I
Hey, someone just took down a really hot picture. Why would you do that?
Someone took the picture of me down?
I don't know. There was some girl splitting her legs when I pulled it up, and then it disappeared.
And with that said, that's gonna wrap up the live stream today.
Are you still streaming?
Yeah, I've been going till 12 every day.
What I do? Oh, there we go. Oh, I saw this. I've seen this one before. Yep, there you go.
That's a humbled trader.
ASTS starting to ramp up again if anybody's interested.
I'm very interested.
He's ramping up too.
Who is?
SPC.
I'm not looking at that one right now.
Mad as having PTSD.
What's he posted now?
Oh, I don't know. I'm just saying, with space going up again, he's probably having flashbacks.
Hey, yesterday was a good day for him.
You guys say Matt has mid money yesterday?
No, he only lost 480,000.
Yeah, he didn't break the half mil. He didn't break the half mil mark.
Someone who lost more than me, yay.
Yeah, and well, I posted the his overall chart for the year though. He was, I think, what was it, like 8 point something?
Yeah, he's lost half his account. He was over 16.
No, I don't. If you look at this, if you look at that peak, I want to say, hold on, let me click on it. It looks like 12.7 ish.
No, definitely more than that.
Not this year.
Himself, like in words, over 14.
Well, yeah, on his Twitter account, but that's including last year. I was only including this year.
Oh, we're not going to count that as 4 million?
Well, if you count that 4 million, then this number on this chart would go up. And it's not. This chart, it goes up to like 12.7, so you'd only be adding 2. But that's what I'm saying. If you're adding that 2 from before this year, then you'd have to add it to this chart too. So it wouldn't be half his account. I mean, he'd still be down $4 million, but...
Yeah.
We just move on. Who cares?
I care. I want to know exactly how much.
It's entertainment. Some people like watching frickin' Monkey Trader. I like watching metas.
Oh, what were the arguments today that pissed off Devin?
I told him something was not a high or a breakout on the daily, and he got really pissy.
Because you kept going with it, and I'm in, because I don't need to hear about this right now.
Well, and by him saying I kept on going with it, I said it once and then asked him why he thought it was a breakout, and then he left. 40 times? 40 times?
I didn't say 40.
Fucking that fire.
I said multiple times.
Oh, multiple times. He's probably right. I probably said it 2 or 3 times. Hold on, what was the chart? We'll get Steve's opinion.
Oh, LI.
Oh, yeah, LI. That's the one. Yeah, Thomas traded it.
And it's still holding above that level.
It is
What level? Okay, so this is what I was asking you. Like, where do you see a breakout on the daily? Like, that's what I was trying to ask you.
Okay. So on this uptrend, you still have those highs that it's been making since 511. It is over all of them since this uptrend began.
I mean, I don't... 5/11, so May 11th? Hold on.
From May 11th till now, it's been in this uptrend. It is over every candle on the daily chart from that.
Okay, so my question to you, what do you define as a breakout?
A breakout is it breaking over any areas of resistance.
So if it's constantly on top of those candles from that uptrend, how are the...
The day it breaks it, like this day back here where it had the red candle and went over and it gapped up over 31.53. That was a breakout because it gapped up over previous resistance. Anytime there's a high and it breaks above that high, that is a breakout. It doesn't matter if it's on a minute chart, on an hour chart, on a daily chart.
Okay. Yes, let's stick with that because I totally agree with you. But you were saying it's a breakout on the daily.
I said on the 60 minute is what I had up.
Okay, even on the 60 minute.
It is a breakout on the 60 minute chart from since this uptrend began. Not forever. It's not at all-time highs. I mean, for that purpose, you'd have to say the only thing that can be a breakout is if it's all-time highs.
Not true.
That's not the definition for a breakout.
You wouldn't consider 37.50 on the daily a breakout?
Back here?
As in, yeah, what, January? Not back here like 2003?
If it got above 37.50, I would consider that a breakout.
Like, to me, that's the first spot where I would consider it a breakout on the daily. That's kind of what I
said the 60 minute is what I was on earlier.
But I would say the same thing because the 60 is just in an uptrend. To me, that's not really any kind of previous resistance.
But it's a breakout over yesterday's high. That is still a breakout.
Yeah, but you don't. But
it's a breakout over, and it's held it all day. So obviously there's something there. That was
yeah. I mean, I see what you're saying, but at the same time, I mean, you could almost say every ticker is in a breakout then on a daily when they're just going over the highs from yesterday.
But every ticker isn't over yesterday's high, so no.
I don't know. To me, then that's kind of like the boy cries wolf, where you're kind of loosely saying something over and over again that really doesn't carry much meaning.
Well, has it broken under it since it's been above it? Oh no. Okay. Well then, you short it.
All right. Well, let me go find the 1,000 tickers that have, besides the one that you're pointing out, and we'll go from there.
I mean, I really don't care. I didn't trade the fucking thing. But
Me either. I'm trying to understand your thought process here, because it goes against like everything that I know.
Breakout at market highs, that's a breakout. If they break out over yesterday's high, that's a breakout. On that chart at that moment. Does that mean it's at all-time highs? No, that's not what that means. And if you don't trade that way, that's fine, and I don't really care.
I agree with Devin.
Thank you.
Making content.
And Thomas,
Such
this is why
such a
I'm using your
dick.
ID code and not
Such a
Dennis.
dick.
I just pisses me off less today wins. Thomas is definitely the wiener.
He's the wiener for lying to you.
I don't care. You're the one sorry.
No, that's not true, Bangkok. I'm trying to relate to him actually. It's just I have a funny way of doing it.
I don't understand anything except for what he knows.
I literally just drew the line that you're talking about on my chart, trying to understand what you're saying. I am trying to understand what you're saying. But to me, in my eyes, I don't see that as a breakout. So I'm trying to understand why you think it's a breakout. I just am a dick about it. That's all there is. I just don't have a good way of...
Devin thinks that's a breakout. It has to be your way or no way.
I'm stuck on the daily. Like, to me, I'm looking at the daily. You keep saying the 60-minute, and then to me, I just see an uptrend. So that's why I'm confused. That's all there is to it. I don't see any breakouts there.
So keep going with this. Do you see...
And I agree with you on a daily. I don't see a breakout on the daily. He said
But on the 60, do you see that it broke out over yesterday's high?
I mean, yeah, you can see that on my 2-minute chart, too.
Okay, and then let's look at it back here on 6/18, I think it is 6/18. Do you see that red candle? That's topped out at 31.36.
Yes. Yeah, I have that line drawn as well from the daily, I think.
That day where 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days later it had a gap up over that area. Would you not consider that a breakout either on the daily?
Oh, I would definitely consider that a breakout on the daily because it is a breakout.
But it's not over its previous highs over here at 37.80. See, I mean...
Okay, well, I see what you're saying, but to me, what I'm looking for as a breakout is when you have a pullback under those levels, some kind of either consolidation or like a bigger pullback or whatever it may be, coming back up to that area where it struggled and going through. Like, to me, that's a breakout.
But I consider it anytime it's above yesterday's high. I mean, it's broken out above yesterday's high. It's still a breakout, technically. I mean, yeah, it's not a breakout on the daily. It might not be as strong of a breakout. That's fine. I mean, this thing didn't really make a big move either.
Yeah, no, I can see that. I guess I just I try to, yeah, I guess it doesn't matter. It's just
out over yesterday's range. You know what I mean? Yesterday's range was this to this. It's above it, and it's been holding it now all day. Chances are it's going to be above it tomorrow. You know, it's going to keep going from here until it does get back up to the previous highs, because that's what the stock's clearly trying to do. If I was a swing trader, I probably would have been interested at some point, but I'm not.
You'd be interested in longing this?
Well, not here, but somewhere probably over $27, and there's an interesting place to long it as a swing trader. For the move back up to 37, that's where it's most likely going to go. Once we got over these previous lows, but I'm not going to get into that because you don't even look at charts that way. You look at them as, oh, that thing moved up a lot, I'm going to short it. So we have very different viewpoints.
Yeah, no, I don't. Yeah, I would literally just take your word for it on that stuff because I don't really pay attention to it.
Technical play trends, you'd play, something that's moved up too much, too fast. It's two different ways of looking.
Which is probably why we look at these breakouts differently as well, because I'm looking for that quick move, and in order to generate a quick move, because like if you go back to where it broke that 31.50 and it gapped up, like on the daily, it made a big move on that breakout. Whereas in when you get these kinds of breakouts that you're talking about, yeah, sure, I can see what you're saying with the breakout, but it's also not going to be as strong because it's just kind of grinding.
Yeah, but also Thomas was shorting it, and I was saying, I don't think it has much room back down, so just be careful.
Right, yeah. No, I agreed. I mean, hence I didn't get into it.
You got a phone call, dude.
And that thing became grindy real quick, as Thomas found out.
The key is I noticed it got grindy before I got to full size. I'm doing that a lot lately.
That's good.
Like, oops, nope, it's not doing what I do. Why put more shares into it? Look for a spot to get the hell out.
I think why me and Devin clash is because our way of explaining things more so than our understanding of things. And I think we both suck at explaining things to each other. Like we just have two totally different thought processes.
I think if you just explained it and not try to take a stab at the same time, it would be more perceived better.
Yeah, I'm pretty bad at that. And I know it. I've always been that way. My wife tells me that all the time. She's like, I understand what you're saying, but you don't have to be a dick about it. It's actually one of the bigger issues I probably have when it comes to people. I don't know. I've always just I turned into that blunt person, and it works well for me because I don't know. I always end up with the clear conscience, and I like. It's not that I don't care what the other person's thinking, but it's like I know that what's coming out of my mouth is the truth. So it's like if you can't accept it, then sorry. But at the same time, that's not always the right way to approach the situation.
Yeah, and get 10 years on you, and then you'll be like I am, because I used to be the same way you are. And now, you say 2 + 2 is 5? Rock on.
Yeah, Bangkok, I agree. We're definitely attracted to each other. Don't even double guess that. I mean, there's a reason that me and Devin's like imagine when it was just me and him. But it was just me and him for over a year. So we obviously lasted through that. Wait, where'd you get a moving eggplant?
I actually don't know. It's on one of the servers.
With a vein.
Yeah, like,
it's pulsing. That is cool.
That's a ghost eating the eggplant. It says juice box, but I'm gonna go with purple eggplant. Just peeled it back.
Yeah.
All I know is LI looks heavy, and I hope it finishes below 34.43, so I can just shove it in his face. I'm totally kidding. Oh, you stopped doing your kegels?
But he's talking about an eggplant.
He's talking about doing that with his eggplant. I was hoping for one more trade, but it looks like everybody went to lunch. SPY just grinding higher.
What you got to go do? Oh, you got that 12 o'clock bender rule.
Yep. Well, I like to at least go make my lunch at 12, so then that way, if I'm going to bend the rules, I'll be fed. Since CMEG sent back my money, I'm going to wait a month to fund it again. Going to be working on my mentality this whole month. What was your biggest winner? It was like, give him the heater, Ricky. It was, here, I'll just check. It wasn't that much, to be honest. We're nowhere near my biggest losers. Get rid of this filter. Return. So my biggest loser was OCX, which was $1,250. Actually, here, I'll just bring this over so you guys can see it.
Comes in. Oh, this is crowded. All these long.
Hey, Nate. Not talking to you right now. Let's see, full screen. Oh, it's gonna. I gotta turn the thing off first.
It is pouring down rain.
It rains.
Isn't that a good thing?
Yeah, awesome. We got the freaking windows open, the back doors open.
All right. So biggest loss. I mean, you can see I had quite a few over 500 bucks. JMU. This was literally like the first day I started trading. August 21st, 2018. Literally the first day. The November time, that was a swing trade. When I tried swing trading, LYV, MTSI, and OCX all under the new strategy before I had my max loss in place. So LYV 706, MTSI 990, and OCX 1250. And keep in mind that was before commissions. You can see OCX had 6, MTSI 26, LYV 21. Let's click it the other way. Biggest winner. Wait, why didn't it change? There we go. NCTY. Wait, oh, that's return percentage wise. I think it is that one anyway, though. Yeah. So NCTY and NUWA. NCTY, this is the one from pre-market. Let's see if I click on it, if it'll give me a chart.
That means it's gonna quit raining.
Oh, I've traded it since then, apparently. See if it has a chart for all the way back then.
Ooh,
yeah.
Thunderstorms tomorrow.
Whoa, this thing went all the way up there. We were in at 640. Should have held it. Yeah, so the chart's a little messed up. It was over here somewhere on this move. It was in pre-market. You can probably see by the time. Oh, the time's going to be different because that was when I was manually entering. But yeah, 500. And then we took 250 and then 125 and 125. But yeah, we got it in 640. Some off at 692, 8 and 865. That was a pretty crazy trade. But that was when I was trading stupid share size with like a $2,500 account. It was 500 or 5,000, but after that first day, I took that big hit on JMU and a couple other ones. And EWA was actually I took this overnight. It dumped, and then I held it overnight, and I actually was up like $1,000 on it, but I didn't know that CMEG had hours that you couldn't trade, and all morning I was trying to get out of the trade and I couldn't. And then magically 9 o'clock rolls around and it finally let me out, and I went from up 1,000 to only winning 463. That was frustrating. QTT, Uxin. I mean, you'll notice these are all before I was with ISW. My biggest win with ISW was 143.42 VRML. So we'll be looking to improve that. NWL. Yep, that was with ISW. Not ISW, not ISW. And then everything under here was ISW.
Man, a porn prom sounds very sexual.
Oh, I guess these weren't.
Sounds scary.
I feel like,
But
you know,
these will all go up. It's just a matter of time.
Apparently people only buy this stuff. It's old. No.
I think that shit is right. If they came out with a stock with meme, it would be outstanding.
But I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. Feel free to join us on the Discord. I'll still be on there. I'm just going to eat lunch and all that good stuff. And yeah, going 2 for 2 today. Almost got to goal. What was that, 31?
because that would be the biggest meme stock of them all.
The biggest meme stock of them all. 78.375% of our goal today. So can't really complain. And we'll just move on to tomorrow. Kind of slow. We only got 2 trades in. But yeah, I will see you in the morning. Peace.